Welcome to our tutorial on implementing root guards in JavaScript. We begin with defining a mock authentication check function named checkAuth. It attempts to retrieve the user's authenticated item from the session storage and converts the result to a Boolean. Note that in a real application, you would replace this with a comprehensive authentication check. Next, we set up our root configuration. Here we have an array named roots, including a root with the path protected. This root is associated with the guard function checkAuth and the protected component. If the guard function fails, meaning the user is not authenticated, the app will redirect to the login path. Now, let's create our match root function. This function will loop through our root configurations to find a matching path. In this simple example, it compares the paths directly, but typically, you would incorporate more complex path matching, such as handling wildcards or dynamic segments. Lastly, we have our navigate function. It first attempts to find a route based on the path provided. If a matching route has a guard function and it returns false, the user is not authenticated, and we redirect them to the failure path. If the route matches and there's no guard or the guard passes, we would render the associated component. For unmatched paths, the app would handle it as necessary, such as displaying a 404 error page.